Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Drive and creating a new form. Sign in with the account you intend to collect responses under. Once done, click New, More, and select Google Forms, or pick a template if you want a pre-built structure. Make sure to name the form immediately so autosave tracks the right file. You'll see the title, description, and first question ready. Start by typing a clear title and short description to orient respondents. Now you'll add and configure questions. Click the plus icon to insert a question, choose the type, and enter prompt text. Once done, use the three-dot menu to duplicate or shuffle options, and set answer validation for emails, numbers, or length. Make sure to group related questions into sections so navigation stays logical, and use the settings gear to limit to one response, enable quiz scoring, or collect emails. These controls shape how users interact and what data you receive. To finish, preview the form and submit a test response so you confirm behavior and validation. Once satisfied, click Send to email respondents, copy a shortened link, or embed the form on a site. Make sure permissions match your audience. After distribution, monitor the Responses tab and export to Sheets if you need analysis. If something goes wrong, check sharing restrictions, ensure respondents aren't blocked by sign-in requirements, and confirm browser pop-up and cookie permissions so forms function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.